I just found out this morning that the body cam does not exist any longer. It did once and no longer does.
The body cam footage once existed. Now it's gone. What happened?
3CR8101, State versus Celeste Juarez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
State.
Defense.
Jason Todd for defense.
And are you Ms. Juarez? All right, that'll be granted. With regards to number 3,
State has already provided a witness list to defense. The only thing is we don't have personal addresses for the victims due to safety issues. We have for the officers and the school professionals, we have school addresses and work addresses and work information to the best of my ability. And if I find more information, I'll provide it.
all right, so what do you want to do with the address? You want to go out to the address of the complainant? Is that in some way related to the alleged offense?
If there were reports we wanted to know, if there's been calls to the house, if we wanted to do research on the complainant, we would not. That being said, we have the address of the complainant, so that's not the issue.
Let me ask you all this. Is CPS involved in this or no?
Yes.
All right, so sometimes the confidential informant could be the person who reported it.
So CPS comes in after the initial report to law enforcement. I think, was it law enforcement or 2000 CPS, I think?
I would have to look at the timeline. CPS is, we know who told CPS. I will say that. I don't think that's an issue in this case, Your Honor.
All right, because if it is, then my ruling on this, granting it, I'm going to rescind that because that's supposed to be confidential.
To specify those items and see if they're turned over. There was a body cam that defense believed existed. We asked about it. I just found out this morning that the body cam does not exist any longer. It did once and no longer does. We're getting an affidavit of no record, and I've provided a written disclosure of defense regarding this prosecution.
All right, so this is what's going to happen, and this will be your last setting for discovery. And if there are items that are missing, or you see that when we have this next hearing, that there are going to be items that are missing, you need to subpoena witnesses to have them here. They can appear by Zoom if need be, but this will be your final discovery. And also on this date, if you have not, you'll need to tender an offer to the defense.